Most people think geometry looks confusing, but this question can actually be solved in seconds. Can you find x? Here's the trick. Here are the only three patterns you will need. Z-shape means alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. F-shape means corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. These are co-interior angle. These represent C-shape. These add up to 180 degrees. Let's try one. The angle is 55 degrees. Can you find the value of A? Can you spot the pattern? It forms a Z shape. So these are alternate angles and alternate angles are equal. So value of A is 55 degrees. Now let's make it slightly harder. We need to find value of X and Y. First look at F shape. X and 125 degrees are corresponding angles. So X equals to 125 degree. Now look at a straight line. X and Y are straight lines, so these adds 180 degree. X plus Y equals 180 degree. This is a straight line. X is 125, so we put value of 125. 125 plus Y is 180, so Y is 55 degrees. So we found value of X and Y. This is other challenge. We have to find value of X and Y. Try solving this before I do. First, spot Z-shape. These alternate angles are equal. So, X is also 55 degrees. Now, look carefully. These form C-shape. So, X and Y are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles sum to 180 degrees. X plus Y is 180 degrees, co-interior angles. X is 55, so Y is 125 degrees. Rapid fire round. Given 70 degree, find X. X equals 70 degree, alternate angles. What is the value of X? X is 60 degree. X and 120 degree are co-interior angles. What is value of X here? X is 118 degrees. Corresponding angles they form F shape. Thank you everybody.